let's go with some case scenarios. So there is port AIoT system. So port IoT is actually to gives connectivity and to the port system. So if you could see in the left, there is some kind of network shown related to port industry. So there is some kind of smart labels which storage condition monitoring and control, inventory tracking and analysis, predictive maintenance, cargo integrity monitoring, optimize warehouse workloads, real-time fleet management. So the main win of this is Spot is capable of higher throughput, less cost per container, more competitive than rival ports, and more tax income. And then on the right, if you see, there is auto route suggestion through an AI algorithms, automation of hub operation through RFIDs, and AI suggests some space allocation for this package, some kind of augmented reality based checking of the packages, and real-time logistic marketplace and blockchain technology. So there is an IoT example which called helmet concussion sensor. So it is based on some sensor and will provide wireless connectivity to a smartphone, like wireless hit impact sensor sends alerts direct to your smartphone when a hit is too hard. Long range Bluetooth connects to smartphone over 100-meter always away inside arena, and the battery life is quite reasonable, and it fits on all sides of hockey helmet with high bonding adhesive type. Hockey player use helmets, and there is an application connected with this helmet, so to provide user interface to the user. There is another example which called Kinsa thermometer. It is actually a thermometer which uses your age, fever, and symptoms to help you understand when and how to soothe symptoms, take medicine, or call the doctor. So the purpose is to monitoring your temperature and can call your doctor as necessary. So there is, for example, this kid, Sam, which has some kind of fever, and some medicine, ibuprofen medicine is suggested. And so if it needs, then it can call a doctor as well. And there is another Amazon Dash. Amazon actually provides some dashboard buttons, which is stick to the devices. For example, this Samsung refrigerator, there is some dashboards provided by Amazon. So if there is something empty in the refrigerator, just press the button and Amazon will be alerted with the demand of the user, and that product will be delivered to the user. So there is some kind of dashboards related to each items you can see in this figure, and this is also connected to some application based on some voice or utterances, like Alexa, show me my dashboards, which shows the dashboards required in the system. There is another case which called smart toothbrush. The name BeamBrush. The BeamBrush is a connected toothbrush that engages user with their daily hygiene routine. So it actually saves the data and share with the user with the help of an application, like what is your oral health, like 88%. If you need to see your teeth to your doctor, then it can suggest you that please visit to your doctor. Another example is smart egg tray. So it actually it called egg mender, which syncs with your smartphone to tell you how many eggs you have got at home. So it can calculate up to 14 eggs and when they are going bad. So that's a kind of handy application. And there is another application or case which called Amazon Lex. Amazon Lex actually is based on speech recognition and natural language understanding. So when you say to Amazon Lex, what is the weather forecast? We have usually seen on our smartphone as well. There is some kind of application provided by Google and Apple. So this is like the same thing. What's the weather forecast? So the weather is forecasted, and then reply to the user, it will be sunny in 25 degree. There is another application or case studies that is called Amazon Polly. So it is based on human or natural language understanding. So if you say to this application, book a hotel in New York City, so it automatically extract and the information, and automatic speech recognition is used to extract this information like book a hotel in New York City. And based on this information, natural language understanding is used, and hotel booking in New York City is being filtered. So based on this information, a hotel is booked in New York City, and can I go ahead with the booking? And I can, after receiving the confirmation, your hotel is booked for November 30th by the Polly, and a user is informed like your hotel is booked for November 30th.